Today we talk about the words Badho, Bagabaga, and Bagni. Welcome. Badho, Badho, Badho. Badho means to chip roughly. Fundi badho bao markom. Fundi badho bao markom. Badho can also mean be concerned. For example, somo na o badho japuonj, jopuonj ga egin gitiyo matek. Somo na obadho jopuonj ga egin gitiyo matek. Somo na obadho jopuonj ga egin gitiyo matek. The third word is Bagabaga. Bagabaga. Ineno Bagabaga. Ok ing'iya. Ineno Bagabaga. Ok ing'iya. So you're looking everywhere except at me. Ineno Bagabaga. Ok ing'iya. Now let's talk about the next Bagabaga, but this Bagabaga is a sea eagle. So for example, you can say Bagabaga cha omako rech. Bagabaga cha omako rech. Bagabaga cha omako rech. And the last word of the day is Bagni. Bagni or Bagini. 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 Wehero Bagni seche te ma amiyi tich. Wehero Bagni seche te ma amiyi tich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel or sharing the video with your friend. Let's meet tomorrow for 5 Luo words a day. Goodbye.